YouTube world. So this is another video of the burping girl, and today we have other requests from you guys, and I hope you're gonna like it. So let's see how it's gonna be. Hello. So first of all, you're gonna do for us, well, let's start with the names. They have our fun names. They want us to burp.
A lot of names.
Well, not that much, but anyways. We have, first of all, Alba. Like Jessica Alba.
Alba.
Okay. Then we have Berta.
Berta.
Then Ima. Smells shit.
Why did you do that?
Then you have Yasmina.
Yasmina.
That's a really nice name.
Yeah.
And then we have Paulina.
For real?
Yeah, така ще ме. No отсеждания.
Извини. Pour vrai? C'est ça?
Mais oui, Paulina.
Ok. Ok.
C'est vrai, mais...
No, sorry, it's because
Okay, go.
I have
Burp.
difficulty with P.
Okay.
Ah!
Excuse my
Stop
friend.
making me laughing. Oh my god.
Okay, say Paulina, please.
Paulina.
Okay, then we have... Is it Charo or Caro? Well, anyways, I think it's Charo.
Chero?
Charo, maybe.
Chero?
Maybe.
Chero.
Okay. Now, can you say for us, Kimmy loves Jay?
Kimmy loves Jay.
Woohoo! So now we have other burps, special burps, and we're gonna start with burping when you have your mouth closed.
I have to cover my mouth?
Yeah, with your hand if you want to.
Oh my god.
Yes. Then you have to make quickly and short burps. Like so many burps, short and quick. 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 28, 28, 4.
Oh my god. Okay.
28 burps. So, then you have to do the longest and the loudest burp.
Voulez-vous bien arrêter parce que vous déconcentrez tout le monde ici, on travaille, on a un examen pour demain.
Surtout Maurice.